Hi everybody, this is Iver from the Zand SAP Analytics showing you two very simple best practices with Analytics Cloud. The first one is on saving space. So if I need to show quite a number of measures like I have over here with various dimensions, I typically end up in different charts. What you can do in Analytics Cloud is use instead an input control also for your measures. So imagine I want to create visualizations on total revenue and total cost, and maybe also on margin. I select them as a measure input control in my graph, and I can do the same for my attributes. If I scroll down, I can choose dimension input control. For example, I could click allow the end user to swap between countries and brands. And if I now just resize those input controls and bring them into or next my visualization, you will see that the end user has a very simple way of more or less creating her or his own chart. So now I have only one visualization, and the end user can choose between looking at a line perspective or country perspective and choosing what graph to what metric to look at. The second best practice is on using a trellis to allow your end users to deep dive in the data where they want. So over here I have some metrics by country, and I can first bring in an input control, and let's choose in this case, for example, the different brands that I have. I select them all and resize my input control a little bit. And the first thing I'm going to do right now is click in the view properties and deselect the select all option. When using with a trellis, you don't want to have this select all, so I untick that. And next what I will do is click my chart and add a trellis and bring in the exact same input control, so the brands into the trellis, as you can see right now. And if I now go back to my input control, the end user can easily work with the data and adjust the number of trellises. Since I use a responsive page, this will be displayed automatically in the correct way. Thanks for your attention.